So we're basically in Boston just for funsies to visit our friend Arya and Beta. Yay. I haven't been back to Boston since I graduated from university at Wellesley College, historically women's college. Fun fact.
Where you met some of your best friends.
That's true, that's true.
You can only get me when I have my wig on.
Headed to Boston. Essentially, we got there on Friday. We took a quick nap. We're here in Boston. I forgot about Tasty Burger. It's okay. Yeah. The way that I thought these glasses were serving Giselle, but it's serving Horse Girl. Oh, I forgot I brought a cheese stick, actually, if you want some cheese.
That's okay. It's warm. It's warm. I don't want it.
I've been eating a lot of cheese recently because it's high in protein.
It is high in protein.
But do you think that much dairy is good for you?
It depends if you're like intolerant to dairy.
I'm not at all.
Oh, yeah,
I eat like
fine.
3 of these a day.
Then you're fine.
Slay. Here's Commonwealth Avenue, home to many frats. Easy slap.
I mean,
Hello.
oh, loves the camera.
Another East Coast city, another Tate. Okay, passion fruit situation. Give us a haul.
Okay, we have our turkey flat. ELAT. We had our passion fruit limo.
See ya.
Unfortunately, they were out of the challah bread, so we're having sourdough.
Is it good? Oh, what is that sauce?
Avocado. And then there's like a chipotle mayo-y situation.
It is good. T-minus 10 minutes until we're supposed to leave. Then we went to go see some of the little people from Wellesley, which is where I went to school. I call the younger people the little people. What are we wearing? Otis.
Oh.
Fit check, Otis.
Who, me? My top is from shoutout.
Oh, okay.
My pants, I think, are from Revice. They're so old.
Oh.
My socks are from Nike.
My top is my mom's, actually.
Oh, that's cute. It's so fun. Is it from like the 90s?
Yeah, it's from,
Yeah.
like, literally after I was born. She was,
Cute.
like, going this top.
Wow, love.
My jeans is Zara.
Yay. Bag is from a man that I found on WhatsApp in Turkey. You can tell by the faded gold at the front.
No, my real one has faded gold too. So it's
Really?
It's like from a certain like year, they stopped doing full gold versus plated.
Oh. Dress is thrifted, but it's Adidas. Jacket is from Amazon. Sally. Please include quick B-roll shot. Then we went to Arya's friend's birthday party, which was fun. It was all MBA vibes because Arya is an MBA student. And me, Arya, and Sita were all friends in college, so it was really fun to see them. They're both a little bit older than I am, so I love to get their wisdom at all times. I know, literally. Hydration! Yay! Me dissociating doing my lip routine. I'll hold it.
honestly, it would be so good. Connor's trying to... She's vlogging. She's a YouTuber. Oh, should I try it?
Yeah, try it. But it's kind of like itchy. Isn't that weird? I like it. You like it? Yeah. It's not flavored, but there's like kind of taste.
I taste it. I definitely taste it. So walking together.
I know a diva when I see one.
Look at him. It's going to be a little bit up, and it's going to be a little bit raised around the whole lip. So look at my lips right now.
Uh-huh.
right? Even if I did that, it would have been like another layer on top, and it would have been the skin on top of your upper lip.
Good morning. Another day, another dollar. We're going to brunch. Okay, Otis.
This is my umbrella I've had since college.
Wow.
I know, it's made it.
I lose all my umbrellas.
Me too.
All that I can be for you.
I bought this book because Sita said that it's low-key tea, it's tech tea, and the author is currently being sued because it's an expose against some Facebook executive. So I think this will be an interesting read. I've been looking for something else to read other than Harry Potter on the subway. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear Arya. Happy birthday to you.
Make a wish.
In the Diwali candle. Happy Diwali. Yay! We went back to Arya's and then we were just chatting about things, life in general. Then we thought we could watch a movie and then we decided to ultimately watch Adolescence. But about one episode into Adolescence, we decided to start cooking. Arya is such a good cook and Sita too, and they both made such good little wraps. Okay, do you want to do a little food haul?
Welcome to my cooking channel.
Wait, for real.
I always think my mom should do one.
Oh, okay. Oh, this is the air fryer.
Air fried salmon.
Oh, it looks good. It's ready?
Avocado's ready. Go for it.
Okay, so you're gonna do the rice paper with the tofu, carrot, cucumber, avocado,
And I put some scallions in there.
and then which sauce? Or both?
Put it in wherever.
Or you're gonna dip it as you eat it, not put it inside?
No, put it inside.
Are you gonna put salmon on it?
Also do another
Yeah, you could put
sauce
salmon in it.
Is
People make those, you like can put them in, like this is like a TikTok recipe where you like then pan fry it.
Oh,
Make it
okay.
crispy.
yeah, I usually air fry.
Oh, I see.
I like mine raw.
You can also do a peanut dipping sauce. Super easy. Peanut butter, soy sauce. Just that's it. And it's really good. I usually do those with these.
So what are the two sauces made of?
This is a marinade from Suriname, ponzu, soy. I think I put a little bit of honey in this, I can't remember. And then this is avocado, mayo, sriracha, and ponzu.
Oh, you put avocado in it? Avocado. Oh, the mayo's avocado. Oh, I see, I see. Is this the Suriname thing?
Yes.
I see.
This one is breaking. Do you want an extra? This one here. Sugar. You can have a ride if it breaks.
I feel like Selena Gomez in this blanket, you know, that photo of her in like in the Mexican blanket.
My friends got married. I just want to be a guest.
Yeah, it is fun being a guest. It almost tastes like mac and cheese.
The texture is great though.
I know. My wig isn't on.
Let's see how Diz take a little chomper. Wait, no, it's fine. I mean, it doesn't look like
one.
it's not like giving carcinogenic. It's just giving mutilated.
Yeah.
Then we watched Adolescence, and both nights we stayed up so late. I don't know why, because like we didn't even really. Even the night we went out, we came back at 11:30. But anyways, now I'm extremely tired.
Oh yeah, of course you can.
Children not leaving for college.
This morning, Sita and I missed our train, which is the second time that I've missed a train in 2 weeks.
It's like, oh, brother.
We missed another train, another vlog, another missed train. There's the tate. Okay, bless up.
It looks delicious.
It does. Okay, I feel like we can go in like 5 minutes to get the next train. Last week after Raja and I missed our train, she goes, well, now it gives us time to win an Oscar. And so Sita won the Oscar, however, by letting our conductor know the situation. Ultimately, we did not have to pay. He took pity on us. So shout out to Sita for putting in the work there.
With me it's hard because it's only honesty.
Oh, and on the way home, Sita and I played that TikTok game where you put a core memory or like inside joke on your forehead, and then you both try to guess what it is. So that was fun. I'll insert some clips from that.
Is it a person, place, or thing?
Place.
Is it from the last 5 years?
No.
College years?
Yeah.
In the United States?
Yes.
Is it on the East Coast?
Yes.
Is it in the Massachusetts area?
No.
Is it in New York?
Yes.
Is it public hotel?
Yes. And shout out to Amtrak for supporting our journey. And then we came back, and today I just took a nap and did a little bit of work, finished White Lotus, watched the finale, which, by the way, was not as good as I thought it would be. It was so anticlimactic. There were so many loose ends that were untouched, and it was just strange. But Adolescence was good. I thought that the themes were new and interesting. This theme around toxic masculinity due to social media and not being a generational thing, I think was a really interesting aspect of it. But yeah, we had a really good weekend in Boston, and thanks for watching.